Are you tired of spending hours on TikTok trying to find the right customers for your business? What if I told you there's a way to automatically find TikTok users who are interested in your niche with just one click? Hi, I'm Hoang Mamba Tools, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use MKT Tick Pro to find potential customers on TikTok by simply typing in a keyword. TikTok is exploding with users, but not all of them are your audience. As business owners, we need to reach the right people, not just anyone. But here's the challenge. TikTok doesn't give you a search tool for audience targeting. You can't easily filter who's posting about fashion, skincare, home gadgets, or your niche. That's where MKT Tick Pro comes in. MKT Tick Pro is a smart tool built for online sellers and marketers. It allows you to search TikTok users based on keywords. For example, makeup, baby products, home decor. Filter by follower count, engagement, or bio. Export lists for remarketing or follow-up. Engage with real users who already create content in your niche. This means you're not just targeting interests, you're targeting real people who are already active in your space. Step 1. Select accounts to run the function. Step 2. Enter keyword, e.g., home gadgets. Step 3. Click Start. Step 4. Export the list or tag them. As you can see, within 30 seconds, we've scanned over 100 active TikTok accounts talking about home gadgets. This is gold if you sell kitchen tools, smart home devices, or decor. How to apply. Use case 1. Lead generation. Export list, message or engage via TikTok, pull to website, Facebook, or Alibaba. Use case 2. Retargeting ads. Use UID from data to run custom audience ads if you integrate with ad systems. Use case 3. Build a community. Invite active TikTokers in your niche to join your group, follow your page, or promote affiliate products. This is next-level prospecting. You're no longer guessing. You're working with qualified data. If you're serious about scaling your business with targeted traffic from TikTok, then you need to try MKT Tick Pro. Click the link below in the description for a free demo or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.